In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the Launchpad option to your dock on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to go inside our Finder, and then you want to click into the Applications folder on the sidebar. Now if you don't see the Applications folder, you want to click on the Finder option in the very top left hand corner, and then you want to go into Settings, and this will open your Finder settings. From here you want to click on the Sidebar tab, and then you want to make sure the Applications folder has been ticked on this list. Once the Applications has been ticked, we can exit out of the Finder settings, and now you should be able to access the Applications folder in the sidebar. Now we are in the Applications folder. It may look different to mine, it may look like this, or it may look like this. Either way, your applications are being listed. From here, you want to scroll down and you want to find the Launchpad application, which is here. Once we've found the application, we simply need to drag and hold, and we need to place the application into our dock, and you can place it anywhere you'd like. So I'm going to place it at the start. Now we've done this, the Launchpad has successfully been added to our dock, and we can use it to access the Launchpad on our Mac. If you would wish to remove the Launchpad from your dock, all you need to do is to simply right click on the Launchpad, and you want to click on Remove from Dock. And if you're using a MacBook with a trackpad, you can use 4 fingers and a thumb to do a pinching gesture to access the dock. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.